Waterford accent.
Greetings from Waterford. Hi, Romel here again. Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ito po na naman si Romel para mag-share po sa inyo. Now, we are here in Waterford City having a walkabout. We are here at Kilbarry Nature's Park, which is located at the Tremor Road, and the entrance is at Kingfisher Club. It has 2 kilometers walkway on tarmac. You can run, you can walk, you can cycle, or you can jog, or for me, I went for a stroll. I went straight up to the top of the nature park, across the meadow, and you can choose what path you want to walk on. You can do the tarmac, or on the meadow it has cleared by the lawnmower. You can feel closer to the nature, or on the dirt road if you like. And then while doing that, you can spot hummingbird if you are quick enough, and variety of butterflies and wildflowers. If you like, you can spend all day in here and it's quiet. You can pick your own spot and then stay there for the day. You can bring in your own picnic basket and blankets, and if you like. And it's if you go at the very back of the nature's park, you can find it's very quiet in there.
Crossroads.
The sound that you can hear is the sound of the wind. Birds are chirping, and some and people that walk past you, or if you can find a really quiet place. Now you can be on your own under nature. And if you are enjoying this, and if you want me to share more of this from Tremor or around Waterford County, please subscribe and click the notification bell, so that every time that I share a video like this, or cooking a dish, or driving around Waterford City or County Waterford or outside, you get notified. Thank you very much. So keep watching, and I hope you enjoy my little walk around Waterford Nature Park. Thank you.
Two laps. Jeez.
Now we are near at the end of our stroll or walkabout, and I hope you did enjoy our little video for today. And please subscribe and click the notification bell so that you get notified my next video. Have a good day and mabuhay. Salamat po. Water for the accent.